Expand this algebraic expression. Now, the word expand in mathematics means to remove brackets. Okay, so in this case, there's only one pair of bracket, and the way to expand here is to use a technique called the rainbow method. So the 3m that's outside goes in, multiplied to 4m. It is also multiplied to positive 2 as well. So 3 times 4 is 12. M times m is m squared. So 12m squared plus 3 times 2 is 6. And 6m will be there. So this is how you expand this particular algebraic expression. Now let me extend this to some other kind of similar problems. Let's say, for example, you have negative 2x. And then in the bracket, you have 5 minus 8x. How do we expand? In a very, very similar manner, we will use a rainbow technique. So negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Put x there. Negative 2 times negative 8. Be very, very careful about this, because negative and negative gives you a positive. Alright, now whenever you have the same signs, positive, positive, you will get a positive answer. Same signs, negative, negative, you will get a positive answer. But if you have different signs, that's when you'll get a negative answer. Okay? So negative 10x, negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 16. X times x, x squared. Okay, so this is another example of a rainbow technique for the algebraic expansion skill that we are supposed to master.